In this video, we will show you how to replace your tailgate handle on this Dodge Dakota. This will be located on your tailgate. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is remove this plastic bezel. For this, we'll use a plastic trim tool so we don't damage the paint on the tailgate. Come down along the corner of the bezel and just go ahead and pry that up. As you start prying that up, we're going to start pulling down and away diagonally. Lift up on that handle and remove the bezel. Lower your tailgate. With that down, we're going to start removing this plastic panel. On it, you'll find that you have 8 push clips. Commonly, in the center of the push clips, you're going to find an area that you can use a Phillips head screwdriver to try to unscrew the center. Once you have the center up, you can go ahead and pull that right out of there. Use a trim tool or a small prying device and get underneath the outer aspect and lift that up as well. Once you have that apart, go ahead and slide the center in just a little bit, leaving it unlocked for the installation process. Do the same to all 8. Remove your panel. With that out of the way, we'll continue on to each of the 3 T40 Torx head screws, holding the handle in place to the tailgate. Now we can make our way to the outside of the tailgate. We'll continue on by taking hold of the handle. You'll notice that you can wiggle it around a little bit, but it does still have 2 rods attached to it, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. Now to remove each of these rods, what you would want to do is come right over to the plastic clip. I'm going to use an angled pick. We'll take this and come in at an angle and gently pry the angled pick up and off of the rod. This can be a little difficult sometimes. Generally just twisting it should pop off. Once you have that popped up, you can continue on to getting in between the handle and the rod and separating the rod from it. There's that one. We'll do the same on the passenger side. Pull that rod out of there as well. Remove the handle. There it is, friends. Now we can get ready for the installation of our brand new handle. Now when you do this, we're going to be continuing on with our angled pick. I'll come right inside the tailgate here and I'm going to try to grab onto the rod. I'll bring it up so you can see. You could easily just grab onto this with your angled pick and pull it up into place. We'll do this once we have the handle down and into position. Let's take that handle and put it into the tailgate, being careful not to damage the paint. Now that we have that in there, let's continue on with that angled pick and grab onto each of the rods. Once you have one of the rods up here, we'll continue on by putting that into position. Slide it right in there as far as you can. It's important to make sure that you lock it in with your plastic locking tab. We'll bring that right over and slide it over the rod. Now we'll do the same to the other. If you have a hard time squeezing it over, you can use some pliers. Double check to make sure both of your rods are locked in position. Now at this point, what you can do is grab onto each of those two rods, pull them towards each other in the center, and bring down the tailgate. Now we'll reach from the outside of the tailgate, grab onto that handle, maneuver it around so we can align all three of our mounting bolt holes. Once you have those aligned, start in each of the three T40 torque screws and then snug them up. Once you have them bottomed out, torque them to 19 foot-pounds. Install your protective panel. Start in the push pins by pushing in the outer aspect, locking it down with the center. Do the same to all. Close your tailgate. Now we can install this trim piece. While we do this, we're going to put it in place, grabbing onto the tailgate handle and gently lifting up so we can slide it in and behind there. Keep in mind that the tailgate could open up while you do this. Press that into place. Make sure the tailgate's completely closed. All right, let's test the handle functionality. Pull the handle, release the tailgate. Close it, make sure it's secure. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.